After learning about the various data types in the previous videos, this video will dive into the type conversion and operators. Let us start with type conversion. Python has two types of type conversions. Implicit type conversion, in which Python does the conversion for us. Explicit type conversion occurs when we specify what type of conversion needs to happen. See the below example. We add two variables numInt and numFlow, storing the value in numNew. The numNew has float data type because Python always converts the smaller data type to larger data types to avoid loss of data. But it does not convert numeric values to string values. If data types are not compatible, Python will throw a type error. For string to numeric, numeric to string, we use explicit type conversion. We use the predefined functions like int_of, float, string, etc. to perform type conversion. Let us look at the first example where chr of 67 returns a value uppercase C, while the method ord of C returns the value 67. This is used to convert ASCII values into characters and characters into ASCII values. The int method converts string or other data types to integers. Here, let's convert the string 10110 with the base of 2 into an integer. So that gives us the value 22. The default value of the base is 10. The next example, let's try converting the string into a float value. And we use the float method for this. The str function is the next function that converts any data type into a string. In this example, the floating point 44.23 gets converted into a string. The complex method converts two real numbers into complex numbers with real parts and imaginary parts. In the next example, we look at the tuple function and how we can convert a list into a tuple. The set function converts this list into a set with non-duplicate elements. We look at an example of a string hello and convert it into a list using the list method. The hex and the oct functions convert integers into hexadecimal and octal values. Let's use this str function to convert integers into strings. In this example, the integer value 11 gets converted into strings and gets added to the string value of 1.1. String addition adds two strings together to form a longer string. The resulting value has a data type of string. The next topic we're going to cover today is expressions. Expressions describe a type of operation the computers perform. For example, basic arithmetic operations like adding two numbers. The result in this case is 160. We call the numbers operands and the math symbols in this case addition are called operators. We can perform operations such as subtraction using the subtraction sign. In this case, the result is a negative number. We can perform multiplication operations using the asterisk. The result in this example is 25. The operand we used here is an asterisk. We can also perform division with the /. In Python 3, the version we are using in this course, the result will be a float. We can use the // for integer division, where the result is rounded. There are a lot more operations you can do with Python. Check the link below for the assignment and for more examples. Let's see what happens when we do 26/5. It provides a floating value 5.2. To use the // we use the same example 26/5 and we get the integer value 5. It is the rounded value of the floating value that we saw earlier. What happens when we use the addition operator on strings? Here we are adding the surname, comma string and the name together. What we get is a concatenation of those strings. We could also use the multiplication operator on strings. In this example, see how it repeats the string 3 times. What can you do with the percentage operator? Percentage operator provides a remainder of the division of the left operand by the right. The double asterisk operator is used to calculate the exponent value. Now that we have seen a lot of arithmetic operators, let's move on to relational operators. Relational operators are comparison operators and are used to compare values. They return true or false. In this example, we're going to use the greater than, less than, double equal to, not equal to, and greater than equal to and less than equal to operators. The logical operators and or are used to check multiple conditions. In this example, if you want to check if A and B are positive, then we use this condition. We have been using assignment operators to assign values to variables since the start of this course. In this example, we are assigning the value 4 to the variable A. See the below examples where we use plus equal to and minus equal to. The plus equal to operator works the same way as A equal to A plus B. Similarly, look at the minus equal to. We can also see and guess what would the asterisk equal to do and the slash equal to do. The remaining examples of assignment operators are self-explanatory as well, so I'll just go through them one by one. In this video, we covered arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, and logical operators. For details about special operators, membership operators, identity operators, and bitwise operators, please refer to the link below. The last concept we will work on in this video is Python operators precedence. We must know what precedence or priority of the operator is and how they'll evaluate down to a single value. Operator precedence is used in an expression to determine which operation Python will perform first. Let us look at an example. In this example, brackets take the highest precedence. After the brackets are evaluated, the next one would be the multiplication operators and the division operators. In this case, the multiplication happens first, and after the multiplication happens, the addition and subtraction happens. For more details about a complete precedence rules, refer to the link below with details on operators and operator precedence below. Today's assignment would be to write a Python program to convert a character into ASCII value and verify if the character is lowercase or uppercase.